Alright, I guess I would call this day one, in that it's day one of prototyping, as I spent quite a bit of time ordering all the components. We've got our globe here, and basically I've hacked to one of these globes here, and I've put together a bunch of cardboard. And as you can see, this just helps me mock up where I want the screen. The buttons might be here, jog wheel might be there. And then you can see sort of detailed components like this rotary encoder here. And then even looking around to this one here, don't know if you can see inside, that's also my other rotary encoder, which I'm working out where the wiper could go that travels along here to get the position. It might be that I have to bring a yoke round to the other side, and so this is mirrored. And then last but not least, the position of the Raspberry Pi such that all the ports could be accessed, so they're to the outermost side of the machine. So there we go, day one. It's unglamorous, it's hot because I've been 3D printing in the same room in a summer's day. So it's about 30 degrees in here, just making these things. But I guess one little interesting part, in the time it took to print these, I basically built this prototype out of cardboard. So that is why I go on so much about working in cardboard first, because it really is that fast. So although I would never say anything beats doing precision things like this with a 3D printer, the fact that I've torn this apart and pulled it back together in different orientations, probably about 3 or 4 times, I think that's really the value in speed prototyping. So there we go, day one of prototyping.